Hello children, how are you all? So children, in this video I am going to tell you about the new chapter called as Chemicals and Chemical Changes of class 7. Okay, so children, before going to the chemicals and chemical changes, I have one question for you. Okay, so when we see different materials around us, so immediately what we say? Okay, like for example, if suppose when we see this bottle, so we say that this particular bottle is made up of a material called as plastic. Yes, in the same manner, if we see this duster, so we say this duster is made up of wood and some amount of sponge. Yes, so when we see the book, we say this book is made up of papers. Yes or no? This book is made up of papers. Yes, in the same manner we say when we see this particular chain, okay, we say it is made up of gold. In the same manner, few materials if we say it is made up of glass, okay, we say it is made up of some different item called as ceramic, etc. Yes or no? So, all the materials whatever we see and name them are said to be chemical substances which are either obtained by different processes, okay, which were used in, or they can be obtained by the process of chemistry. Okay, so by the process of chemistry also we may get different materials. So, what do you mean by chemistry, children? What do you mean by the term chemistry? Tell me. So, chemistry means the branch of science that deals with the properties, composition and structure of elements and compounds, how they can change and the energy that is released or absorbed when they change. Okay, so we define chemistry as the branch of science that deals with the properties, composition and structure of elements and compounds, how they can change and the energy that is released or absorbed when they change. Okay, so I hope everyone understood what I am speaking about. Okay, so our topic is related about the chemistry chapter. Yes, so let us see what our chapter says. Okay. So I said different materials around us are said to be chemical substances. Yes or no, children? So do you know these chemical substances are made up of either atoms and molecules? Chemical substances are made up of what, children? They are made up of atoms and molecules. So how do you define an atom? An atom is the smallest particle of a substance. An atom is a smallest particle of a substance. Okay, so atom may or may not exist independently. Atom may or may not exist independently. So coming to molecules. Molecules, how they are formed? They are formed when two or more atoms are joined together. When two or more atoms join together, there will be a formation of molecules. Okay, so this particular molecules can exist independently. Molecules can exist independently. Okay, so chemical substances are divided into two major groups, children. Chemical substances are divided into two major groups. One group is said to be pure substances, other group is said to be mixtures. Okay, one is pure substances, other one is said to be mixtures. Okay, so first let us see what are elements. What are elements? Okay, why we are seeing here elements? Pure substances are in turn divided into elements and compounds. Pure substances are in turn divided into elements and compounds. Okay, hence we learn about elements first here. Okay, so what are elements? How do you define an element? An element is a substance that is made up of only one kind of atom. Okay, element is a substance that is made up of only one kind of atom. Okay, like for example, silver, gold, aluminium, hydrogen, oxygen, etc. Okay children, next coming to compounds. Okay, what are compounds children? A compound is a substance that is formed when two or more elements combine chemically. An compound is a substance which is formed when two or more elements combine chemically. Okay, like for example, when hydrogen combines with oxygen, what is formed? Water is formed. When hydrogen is combining with oxygen, what is formed? Water is formed. Okay, so here hydrogen is one type of gas, oxygen is another type of gas. Yes, but out of these two gases we are getting one liquid, that is called as what? Water. Okay, do you understand? Now let me tell you about mixtures. Now let us learn about mixtures. So what are mixtures children? Mixtures are nothing but if two or more substances mix together simply without any chemical combination, then we call them as mixtures. Then we call them as mixtures. For example, air is a mixture of gases. Yes or no? Air is a mixture of gases. In the same manner, one more example, the mixture of iron fillings and sulfur powder. Okay, the mixture of iron fillings and sulfur powder. So this iron fillings and sulfur powder, okay, if suppose we take the watch glass, in that if we place a sulfur powder and if we mix some iron fillings in it, okay, so can we separate them or not? Yes, we can separate them. Okay, by one source which is called as what? Using magnet. Simply using the magnet. That magnet can be bought near that particular iron fillings and sulfur mixture plate, and we can keep the magnet, okay, just above it. Okay, iron being attractive to the magnet go and sticks to the surface of magnet, leaving the sulfur powder. Yes, so that is also called as one type of mixture which can be easily separated. So here no chemical combination has taken place, right? Yes or no? Okay, so this is all about the important basic terms of the chemistry. So in the next class I will tell you about the chemical symbols. Thank you.